and operating system is also Windows 10.
Okay. Akash, can you share your screen?
Just hold on, sir. I have some space issue.
Okay. See what the issue is. You need to replace. I'll tell you. You need to replace the. You need to set the target like uh, IBM Cloud space target dash dash CF space the organizational name. That is the issue that one need to take care of. I'm sharing one more article that can be also helpful.
So it's working now. Yeah, with that CLI thing, it's working.
So now your app is deployed.
Yeah, I'm now about to deploy. I got the organization and DevOps that thing space ready.
Okay. See, before we proceed, I would like to tell everyone a simple couple of steps that are required basically for it. So for an easy way, I have also identified a very easy solution to do that. Okay. Now, just there are see Akash, you also might find it difficult to deploy because the structure there are few structural things that we also need to consider. Now, let me see if I can let me tell if I can share the screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what you have to do? Yesterday, we all had gone to create the basic application by using the dashboard. Okay, we have gone to the dashboard. We have also checked with Cloud Foundry. We clicked here and we created also. Okay, so we have gone here by clicking PHP. By giving name to the application we created also. We have created our app very successfully by this. So this was step one. Now if we want to replace this app with our app, what we have to do? Our PHP app. The best and simple way to do is, what you have to do is, you have to go here, uh, go to resource list. When you all go to resource list, you will see Cloud Foundry apps that you have created. So I created this app yesterday, so I'll go here. So when I go here, I can see my app running. It's running very nicely, and I can click on visit URL to see also. So when I click visit URL, you can see my hello world example. So I need to get this code first, and I need to replace this code with my PHP code. Okay. So the best way and easy way to do is you just have to go to getting started, click on getting started. Here you will see in the first step, download the sample code which we have uploaded. So you just click on download the sample code. You will come to this GitHub page. Here you have to click on code, download the zip. So once you have downloaded the zip, you can definitely go there and you can have you can see I have already downloaded it and I am inside the getting started PHP app. So here I need to replace the file because there are few files. First is the manifest.yml file. This is very important. If you don't have this file, your PHP application won't be uploaded to the server. Second file is composer, then cloudant PHP, and cfignore. So there are these 3-4 files which are very much compulsory and we need to have this file. So what you can do here, you can just unzip this folder and update the index.php file. That's it. Keep all the files same. Keep all the files same. Okay. And then you need to apply the push method to upload it. So there are lots of steps involved. So that's the reason I'm sharing a small video with you by which you can definitely do the later on steps. Okay. It is just a 10-minute video. See if you can see the video now.
So where is the link? Hello?
Yeah, Dev, I'm audible. Dev, I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So I'm not able to get to that link. Wow. Is it only for PHP?
See, Dev, I have shared a link uh, by
Okay.
which you just click to the latest link that I shared. You just watch that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
A short
Yeah.
video tutorial.
Okay.
So by that you will
Yes.
be able to upload it. It's very easy. And Akash, I
Okay.
think those little doubts that you are having with respect to URL are now cleared with this.
Yes, sir. It's uploading. I'll just complete and tell
It's
you.
uploading now.
Yeah.
You have downloaded the code folder.
Yeah. I added the essential for all the files except for that index.php. And
Okay. Uh, Dev, what is the status?
Me, yeah. I'm actually I'm watching the link which you sent.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Varun,
then I'll deploy the app.
Varun, now it might be working, Varun. And Satvik,
Yes, sir, not working.
it's not working or working?
Not work.
Not working.
No, sir. I'm trying with the sample code now.
Okay. I think now it will be uploaded for everyone.